While it's best to avoid wild animals roaming around your home, it may be hard to resist the calves, piglets, and other baby animals at Kidwell Farm Park.
Spring and even the winter months are an exciting time at Frying Pan Farm Park as calves, lambs, piglets, and other baby animals join the Kidwell Farm family.
Every year we look forward to the new baby animals being born here at Frying Pan, and it actually starts in the winter, which surprises a lot of our visitors. Having new babies coming frequently means a long night in the barn for the farmer, staying up to help the mother to make sure she gets safely through the delivery.
The way Frying Pan Farm Park staff will care for each of the animals is we try to be here at every birth to make sure that the babies are born and they're healthy and they're dry, and we get them under the heat lamp. And then we also assist the baby with nursing within that first hour. The colostrum is the first milk, and they really need to get that within the first hour to 2 hours that they're born.
These babies are unique. They don't wear diapers of any kind, and some are able to walk, hop, and scamper on 4 legs right after birth.
When the newborn babies arrive, usually within the first hour they are standing. Usually sheep will have 1, 2, or 3. Usually cows will only have 1 baby at a time, and then piglets can be anywhere from 8 to 12, born at one time. Some of the babies are kind of helpless when they're born. Baby pigs will kind of just lay there for a little bit. Usually the first 15 minutes of any of the first newborn's lives, they kind of lay around and kind of their mothers are cleaning them off. And then after that, they're up and running around. The community really enjoys the babies that are born. Sometimes we let people watch the babies be born, and then other times they just see them right after they're born or when they're 1 or 2 weeks old, and so they really enjoy it. During the spring, anywhere from February until May 1st is the best times to come out to the farm to see the babies. We usually have some babies born in the fall as well, but like I say, springtime is always the busiest.